Come with us for a 2-day staycation in Enugu.
We're heading to Enugu right now. Mama, say hi. Say hi, Mama. We just passed Oka right now, so we are going to stop at 9th Mile to get Oba because buy to get Oba Enugu. If you know Oba Enugu, you know that it's worth it. Okay, anytime you come to Enugu, stop at 9th Mile to get your Oba Enugu. Okay. Enugu Oba, the best. We are going to stop at my sister's in-laws house. You are entering my vlog. Say hi. Hello. Mama, see your auntie. See your auntie. Mama, here's my father. Our tiger. Yeah. Yeah. Busy. Say hi.
I'm not.
So guys, let's go. Say hi. Hello. Mama, say hi. Say hi. Say hi, Mama. Mama. We are done with this place. We came to the Unity Park, so we are done with this place. We are heading out right now. I'm so tired. Good night. So guys, this is our day 2 in Enugu. This is my outfit of the day. I'm wearing this shirt, this white singlet, and this trouser. So guys, we are heading to Ntashiosa to eat. Say hi, Mama. Hi. Guys, we are done with eating, so we are heading to spa. I'm showing you guys around Enugu. We are here. So guys, we are done with eating. We'll be heading to Asaba tomorrow. Guys, we are leaving Enugu today. We are heading back to Asaba. Yeah, so far so good. I enjoyed my stay. It was a very nice one. I would love to come back, so that's a good review for Enugu. Okay, so this is my outfit of the day, just this top and jean, and that's it. Let's go. Okay. Mama, do you like Enugu? Do you like Enugu? Will you come back? Will you come back?